What's up guys, Mr. DS18. Check out this Bronco solution for you guys. If you have a 6th gen Bronco and you're gonna try to replace your dash speakers, we have the Pro D8. These are dash speaker adapters that have, you guys can see these lines right here. These lines means that you can actually mount any of these 3 tweeters or speakers you see right here. You can easily unmount the speaker you have right now. You can add the Pro 820s, TW820s here. You unscrew, you mount it, or you can cut out the hole and add the TWN4, which is a super tweeter. Check that out. You cut this out and easily drops in. You screw it, mount it back to your dash. Or if you want to have some mid-ranges, we have the ZXI series, the 3.5s. They mount easily. You guys can see them right there. All you have to do is cut out the trimmings and you can fit any of these 3. They come as a set, plastic, they don't break that easily. So make sure you guys check them out. These are the Pro D8 dash speaker adapters. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.